every generation has faced its own battles. But there has never been a more pivotal time in global history than this crucial moment. We must stop and look back at the mistakes we have made so that we can learn from them and begin again. We must reimagine a world without fossil fuels, a world without plastic. We must turn the world on its head and reimagine everything we have ever known. We need to showcase our ideas, our ingenuity, and our curiosity. The hero of our story is not one person, but many, the individuals who make up the whole. Phantm is on a mission to replace plastic with fully compostable, natural materials, a material that leaves no trace. From nature, back to nature. Humanity is what binds us, but regeneration is what will save us. The future needs to be regenerative. The future needs Phantm. With your help, we can solve the plastic crisis. Join us on our mission for a plastic-free future.